Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see SC200 Microsoft Security Operation Analyst-Lab 12, in which we'll connect Linux VM to Microsoft Sentinel. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I'm logged on to the portal and this is my VM in which I have it in this resource group. I will create one Linux VM, and then I will use the common CEF file legacy agent data connector in Sentinel to connect my Linux VM. So let me deploy one Linux VM inside this resource group. Alright, I'll create a VM inside this resource group. I'll go for Ubuntu. Let me go with this version. Create. I will do test Linux VM. Let me check one thing. I want to check the region specifically. It doesn't matter for my Sentinel to connect to a resource that it should be in same region, but just in case, I'm checking the region of this VM. West US. Let me create that in West US. Alright. Standard. I'll use the username and password. Okay. Standard. Basic. It's going into the same VNet in which I have my Windows VM. Monitoring, advanced, tags, review, create. I will not costing much. As soon as it passes all the validation, I'll hit create. Drag it out. Initializing the deployment. Deployment is in progress. And this is my Windows VM that I had earlier. I will connect to this VM using this public IP. Alright, I'm connected to my Ubuntu VM with the username Ashish. I did SSH from my Windows VM to that Linux VM, and this is the IP address of my Linux VM, that 10005. And now I'm ready to paste the in CEF collector on the Linux machine. I will copy it from the previous step to paste this on my Linux or on my Windows VM so that it can run in the context of Linux VM to install the CEF agent via the legacy agent. So what I'll do is I'll go to my Azure portal. I will go to Sentinel. Here. In Sentinel, I will click onto the Data Connectors tab. Here. And I look for common event format, which is CEF via legacy agent, which is, here it is. I'll click on it. I'll open the connector page. And in the configuration, install the C. I will run this following command. I'll just copy it. And I'll go here and I'll paste this. Let me copy it again. Copy. Go back to the VM. Here, here, and here. Okay. I'll hit enter. Download OMS agent successfully. Now, this script is running against my Linux server remotely. When the script processes properly, it should give us a message that mapping is correct. See, it is still running. I'm going to pause the video and come back. Alright, installation is completed. OMS agent restarted successfully. And that is how you deploy the agent. Now I'll hit exit. Connection to my Linux is closed. In next video, we'll connect a Linux host using the syslog connector. I hope this video was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.